Students, now we will learn what is percent and what is percentage. The word percentage originates from Latin words, that is, or centum, that is, percentage originates from per centum, that is, per 100. Or out of 100. Now let us learn what is percent and what is percentage. The term percent means 1 by 100 of a number and written as symbol, that is 15% equals to 15 by 100. It is called percent, and this symbol is used to explore percent. Let us learn what is percentage. Percentage is the value of the numerator with denominator is 100. Suppose 53 by 100. What is the value of the numerator? Is 53. So percentage equal to 53. And suppose x by 100. So x is the numerator and it is written as x percent. Similarly, this is written as 53%. Let us solve the problem. Suppose in a competition A gets 64 out of 80, B gets 90 out of 125 and C gets 630 out of 750. Now compare their performances. To solve this problem, let us learn how to convert a fraction into percentage, because for comparing such complex relation, the application of percentage is very much useful. Now let us learn how to convert a fraction into a percentage. Suppose 3 by 4 is a fraction. So it can be written as 3 by 4 into 100% equals to 75%. Suppose 1 by 2, that is equal to 3 by 2 equal to 3 by 2 into 100% equal to 150%. Similarly, we can convert any fraction into percentage. So here we see A gets 64 out of 80, B gets 90 out of 125, and C gets 630 out of 750. So let us convert the fraction into percentage. That equals to 64 by 80 into 100%. That is 80%. Here is 72%, and C gets 84%. So you simply convert the fraction into percentage, and clearly you see C gets 84% and then A gets 80% and B gets 72%. So if you arrange according to their performance, so C gets more than A, and after that B. So in case of such different numbers, you simply convert into percentage and get the solution very easily. Students, let us learn converting percentage into fraction. Suppose what we write into 1 by 100, that is 1 by 3. Suppose 53%, that is 53 by 100. Suppose it can be written as actually percentage means the number by 100. So this can be written as 200 by 3 by 100. So it can be written as 200 by 3 into 100. So it is 2 by 3. This type of conversion is very much required for better performance in mathematics. Always try to know, suppose 25% equal to 25 by 100 equal to 1 by 4. So students, whenever you get the number 1 by 4, you must remember it is 25%. Suppose 50% equal to 50 by 100 equal to 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 means 50%. This type of conversion is very much required for calculating mathematical problems. Students, let us learn how to convert percentage into decimal. 23%, 23 by 100. What we can write? It is 0.23. Suppose 7%. So it is 7 by 100. This equal to 0.7. Let us take the number. We can write this 46 by 5 by 100. This can be written as 9.2 by 100. This equals to 0.092. So any percentage can be converted into decimal. Now let us learn decimal to percentage. Suppose 0.1. What does it mean? 1 by 10. This can be written as 10 by 100. Students, as because we are converting any number into percentage, so the denominator must be 100, so it will be 10%. Suppose 0.25, this equal to 25 by 100, this equals to 25%. Let us consider the number 0.123. This can be written as 123 by 1000, 12.3 by 100 equal to 12.3%. So students, such type of conversion is very much required in this chapter. Let us solve the problem. Monthly income of a person increases from 3600 to 3900. Find the percentage of increase of his income. So increase in income equals to $300. Here see, these 300 increases out of his income 3600. So increase in percentage equals to 300 by 3600 into 100, that is students, whenever any increment is made, you just calculate the amount of increment, and to get the percentage increase equal to amount of increment by initial salary into 100. So it is 8 whole 1 by 3%. Let us consider the problem. Onions were selling at rupees 150 a kg last year. Now onions are selling at rupees 25 a kg. Find the percentage increase or decrease in the price. Students, here see the initial price or original price equals to rupees 150. Now the current price is 25. So price is decreased. Current price equals to rupees 25. Therefore, decrease in price since the initial price is higher than the current price, so the price is reduced. So decrease in price equals to rupees 125. Therefore, percentage of decrease in price equals to 125 by initial price, that is 150 into 100. Here you can cancel this. Now it is 2, it is 3. So this equals to 250 by 3, that is so price is reduced or decrease is 83 whole 1 by 3%. Here see the formula, amount decreased by initial amount into 100. Students, let us consider the mathematical problem. By mistake, a line segment of length 25 centimeter is taken as 25.5 centimeter. Find the percentage of error. Here see amount of error equals to 25.5 minus 25, because original length is 25 and wrongly it is taken as 25.5. So the error is 0.5 centimeter. Hence, the percentage of error equals to 0.5 by 25 into 100, that equals to 2%. Students, let us see another problem. A man pays 21% of his income as house rent. If he pays rupees 1050 per month as house rent, find his monthly income. Here it is given 21% equals to rupees 1050. Therefore, 1% equal to 1050 by 21. Hence, 100% equals to 1050 by 21 into 100. So it will be rupees 5000. Students, just simply you see 21% means rupees 1050. So 1% means this amount. So 1% of his salary, that is 100% his salary. So 100% of his salary equals to 5000. So his monthly income equals to rupees 5000. Let X be his monthly income. So 21% of X equals to 1050, that is This implies that 21 by 100 into x equals to 1050. Therefore, x equal to 1050 into 100 by 21. Now it is cancelled by 50, so that is 5000. Since x is monthly income, therefore monthly income equals to rupees 5000. Students, these two methods, here is method 1 and here is method 2. I think both the methods are very easy and you can select any of the methods, and I suggest you to follow both the methods simultaneously. Let us consider another problem. In an examination, 65% of the students failed in mathematics, 55% failed in English and 50% failed in both the subjects. If 360 students passed in both the subjects, find the number of students of the school. Here given 50% of the students failed in both the subjects and 65% failed in mathematics. So number of students failed only mathematics equal to 65 minus 50%, that is 15%. Here see, 65% failed in mathematics and here 50% in both the subjects. So this 50% is included here. So number of students failed only mathematics is 15%. Similarly, number of students failed in English is 55 minus 50 is 5% and failed in both the subjects equals to 50%. So 70% failed in either in math or English or both. So number of passing students equals to 100 minus 70%. 70% failed in either of the subjects or both the subjects. So 30% passed in both the subjects. Here given 30% equals to 360. Therefore 1% equals to 360 by 30. Therefore 100% equals to 360 by 30 into 100. That is 1200 students. So number of students in the school equals to 1200. Students, in my earlier video regarding set theory, you have solved this sorts of problem by using Venn diagram. So I advise you to solve the problem using Venn diagram, and it will take 3 to 4 steps to solve the problem. In this video you learn what is percentage and what are the applications and various conversions, percentage to decimal and decimal to percentage, percentage to fraction and vice versa. So I like to advise you to follow the video from beginning to end to learn the chapter properly. Students, if you learn something from this video, please like, subscribe and share my video to your friends. Thank you for watching my video.
Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get all the notifications. You can also like the video and share the video in your group.